What's up, guys? Back with a little Distrokid video. Today we are gonna upload a new track. So once you get your Distrokid set up, you're gonna go to upload. I got all these checked, and I am gonna check the Snapchat. Yes, I own 100% of the publishing. I'm gonna select that. Number of songs. You can do. Look at all this. You can do all this amount of songs right here. 35 up to 35 songs. But we're doing one song today. Previously released. No. Make sure if you did put that out before to click yes. Got my name right here. And when you set your Distrokid up and you upload and you put your name in, see, I used to put just D-Fre with the S, an actual S and not a dollar sign, but it had told me that there was 3 other artists named D-Fre on Spotify or iTunes or whatever, Apple Music. Is this you? So I wanted to change my name to a name that is not used by anybody else to avoid any confusion. Alright. Release date. That'd be today, April 30th. Pre-order, I just leave that at no. I got J-Bo and Staying Fresh Productions. That's just what I put. Alright, now we're going to choose an image. Go to my pictures right here. My artwork. And I just really learned how to resize all this. Look at all these different sizes I got. Like that's from my shirt. That was from my YouTube. And it says you can do up to 3,000 by 3,000 or anything smaller than that. You can't go any higher. So I resize this to 3,000. Drag and drop. Bam! Look at that. Beautiful. English. Select genre. These are the genres you get to choose from right here. This is more of a pop song. So I'm going to put that. And if they got like classic rock or something, or let's see. New age, punk. See, I could put singer-songwriter. Pop singer-songwriter. Let's do that. Go down, put your title. It'll tell you what, do not include any of this. Do not include featured artist here. Before you used to put your featured artist in your title. Now you don't. If a cover song, do not include original artist name. So just put the title. No years, no dates. None of that jazz. So let's put it in. Reflection of you. Go on down. Add featured artist. Nobody else is in this jump but me. Add version info to song title. Radio edit. No, this is a normal version. Now we're going to choose our file. Go here. Go to my music. And make sure you choose the right one. Make sure you got all your spelling correct and all that type of stuff. It should be 9.67. It's going to say corrected. 9.66. This is the file I need. Hey, where's my damn... Did I move this down? Here, let me scoot that. Boom. There we go. Ha! I always double check, man. I made sure that whole name popped up. Reflection of you corrected. There we go. Dolby Atmos, spatial audio, no. Songwriter, I wrote this song or managed the songwriter. Put that, music and lyrics by who? Put your name in, like your actual name. And then this is where you would add your featured artists. Don't have one. Explicit lyrics. Nope. No, this song is clean. Always has been. Instrumental. Song contains lyrics. If you got an instrumental, click song is instrumental and contains no lyrics. Let the streaming service decide. Preview clip start time. You can, I never done this before. Let me specify when the good part starts. I'm not really too worried about that. Track price on iTunes and Amazon, 99 cents. So, y'all can go buy some stuff, and these are additional options. I've only done a couple of these for some songs, but you get all these options to choose from. I won't go through all of them, but there you go. And then, once all that's done, you go through and you gotta check all these. And then if you want, go back up, double check everything. Make sure your name's right, you got the right file, artwork, all that. Everything's checked. And you go down. Done, son. It's gonna check all your stuff. Artwork's 100%. 100. I just gotta check my track. Doop-a-doop-doo. Hit that 100, baby. Bam. Uploading. Hopefully this John will be out in a couple days, at least on YouTube. Usually it's YouTube first, from what I've seen. Leave a legacy. Look, that's an option right here. Distrokid will never delete this single, even if you cancel your account or your credit card with them or whatever. So it'll always be there, no matter what. When will this single be released? Done. Look at that green check, baby. That was easy, wasn't it? Sure as hell was. Don't even take about 6 minutes, 7 minutes to do all that. Alright. It says it will take at least 5 business days. And here we are, Saturday morning. So, man, hopefully by Tuesday, but If Friday, that'd be 5 business days, technically. So, anyhow, that's it. That is it, folks. Let me go over here to my music. See, green dots mean you're good to go on everything. This one's still not good to go. And that's old school. But there you go. Reflection of you. Click on this. Look, you can go through. I think this is where you add lyrics. You can abort the single, which of course I'm not going to do. Artwork processing, song processing, splits, you get 100%. This is where you edit your splits. If you got other artists that want to get paid and want to get Distrokid for $20 a year, if your song starts popping, that might be a wise choice if you want any of that money. Bam, 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 bam. And you can always come back and change the features, add these features later on. So if you choose no at first, don't worry about it. And I believe this is where you come and add the lyrics, but the song has to finish doing all that. So I could be wrong because I done forgot. Anyhow, hopefully this video helped you out. Now you know how to upload a song if you get on Distrokid, and start doing your thing, man. Y'all show some love. Make sure you like this video. Go through and like all my videos. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification for more videos like this, and maybe some of me playing and everything. Check out my songs. All that good stuff. Much love. Help me with these YouTube algorithms, man. It's hard out here. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Appreciate you. Later.